They are came in useful. For once. I knew how to take it. Be like that.
Thanks for your
There's your window. Hello and welcome back to the channel, where today we're heading up to see our friends at Colour Kraft because they're going to be blowing apart our little Mark 1 Golf. Now, I know when I got this car, I said I didn't want to rip the soul out of it, but if you hark back to last video, you'll remember things didn't really pan out how I'd hoped or wished. So we're going to go up and see what lies beneath all those trims and other parts. And fingers crossed, we've got the little gem we're led to believe we've got.
Well, know that I ain't regular. Peep game, got that pressure, know you're not enough. Keep score, cause you know that I'ma run it up, run it up. I'ma run it back, no big, no respect, don't take that, no pity. Too smooth, but I'm feeling so pretty. I'm letting run the world, still rep my city. Yeah, I'm making waves on the internet. Think that you better, you say that you coming for me, tell me why you ain't.
These are pretty basic to take apart, put together.
I know. It's not my first rodeo, sunshine.
Okay, right, well, I'm just... I mean, I've...
So you got
watched
have you
someone
ordered
put
your
one back
suspension?
No, but I will.
Because obviously, I think we might. If we're going to do it, we may as well do underneath first.
Okay.
Because then we'll get it all straightened up. You know, all the repairs done and what needs doing.
Like the wing and stuff like
But
that.
we're probably going to take them off.
Okay.
Because then we can paint all down
Properly
the
inside,
A-posts and...
Look at the old clutch pedal. No, not gone rotten.
It's not gone right.
Now, see where the clutch cable goes? See it?
Oh, yeah.
Used to get a modification plate over it.
Oh, the hole in the baker.
Yeah, but they used to go through it.
No, look. That's solid, that. Still got
do.
the original rubber.
They tear them, that's what he's saying. They split down these seams.
It's a gem. Never raced nor rallied.
Right, do you see all these bottom arms?
Yeah.
Might as well just replace them. They'll be cheaper to replace them, and we'll repaint them, and they'll all be new bushed.
But the only trouble is, I'll tell you this, when you get replacement,
Oldest man knows Volkswagens.
you
First one off the
you've got-
production line.
You,
What are you
you've
laughing
got
at,
to
mate?
be careful, because they will...
Get it out, Bill. He's only got
the-
half hour
the-
left on his battery.
The dimensions can be slightly different.
Dementia?
I know you can adjust that.
I'll sub to you, would
And you're obviously you can adjust the camera, but they'll definitely.
That's the
be
problem
different.
with old Volkswagens. They don't make like high quality parts, do they? They make just...
You're better off having cleaning them and having the powder coated or something. Yeah.
We've got one for yes, one for no. We need third vote.
What was it?
Do we clean these arms and powder coat them so they're original arms back on it, or do we just get replacements?
That's entirely up to you, because you're
Don't
going
ask
to
me, that's
rebush
a lot
all
of
them.
pressure.
You're going to
What did you
rebush.
say?
I'll take powder coat.
But then you'll have to rebush them all.
Oh yeah, it's not hard, is it?
Well, you ain't fucking doing it, that's why.
He's pretending to be on his phone to get out of this convo. Oh, hold on. Cool.
No, I'm supposed to press a number there, but I missed it because I was listening to you lot.
Well, we're going to take everything off, so it's basically a bare shell. So doors, sunroof, glass, tailgate, bonnet, lights, arches, anything the lumbolt's coming off. So we'll basically be left with quarters, roof, A-post, wings will come off so that we can paint all of the pillar. Then we'll repaint, obviously, all in the bay. So everything you see under here is going to have to come off, the whole
Engines
lot.
out.
Everything. So we're basically left with anything that's steel that can be painted. Then when that's off, everything underneath will come off. So it'll all be like sort of rust-proofed underneath, under the arches. Then basically, once the shell's painted, we'll just work backwards for what we've done today. But obviously everything painted.
Let me just tell one time. Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check.
I just want the rubber because I don't want to put these rubbers. Yeah.
Oh, dear. I didn't even see that.
Hey, ready?
Down to
There's your window.
Jimmy, you'd reuse that windscreen, wouldn't you?
He wouldn't have even took it out.
Paint round that, you'd be fine.
That's the only bit I'm interested in.
I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, mate. Leave him alone. I was having a rough ride this morning.
Genuine rubber.
Yeah, the ones you get now are
That's shocking, yeah. You're buying a new steering rack.
Oh,
No, are you? You tell me.
yeah.
What's new gate this man, anyway, so. What you say?
Never. These are always lost.
We've still got them.
Lovely. Not for long, because Dave needs a pair for his one Jetta.
It's gone from just washing a car and making it look clean and shiny to now it's in bits and...
Are these hard to get hold of? It's okay.
Everything's bloody hard to get hold of.
What the hell's going on? Just chuck everything in and mask that up. So that's how we part left on it. What are you doing, mate?
I'm helping.
What? I remember last time you helped. What happened?
Broke it.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I will soon.
I'm a bit of a spare part at this game. It's just, I can clean them, sort of take them apart. They moan at me if I break stuff, so I let them break it instead, so I can moan at them for breaking bits of my car. Not one of them annoying kids, you know, the next door neighbour's kid comes, sticks their head in when you do it. So what are you doing? Why are you doing that?
Because I need to get in here, don't I? To saw them bloody thing off here. Unless you just cut the wires.
No, don't do that.
Twat thing.
Oh, told her step back, I need my broom. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm hopping now I gotta go. I'm looking back, they not even close. I had a 4, now I need a ghost. I got a wave like I'm on the coast. They moves it down and I dare the show. The way that I'm ballin', they think I'm a pro. I'm getting sick by the money I gross. They saying whoa, I told them all what this is. I told them all I don't miss. Said it's my time, look at this shit on my wrist.
It's gone from just washing a car and making it look clean and shiny to now it's in bits and...
Are these hard to get hold of? It's okay.
Everything's bloody hard to get hold of.
What the hell's going on? You know what? What I do is just grind through that there and open it up.
Oh, the angle grinder with the fuel in that?
Yeah, but that's what I'm thinking. I won't do it quite just yet until...
Yeah, let me leave first.
Yeah.
You boys.
Well, all of us can leave and Justin can stay on his own. Oh. Look, these are absolutely
that's about my time to leave.
Yeah, now I rep the O, what you know about the west side. I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like it.
Oh, that's a bit thirsty.
I need a bag and it's mine for the taking. Liquor and women, I'm never chasing. She don't know me, but she know that I'm famous. And I got way too much money coming out of woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would.
Don't get on from.
Sounds to me fucking brushed.
You know, it's a new brush now.
What fucking hell's happening?
Put it on the bill, mate.
So it appears there is a bit of a silver lining to our cloud after all, because what we have in there is, underneath it all, a really solid little Mark 1 Golf shell, which in today's day and age is a very rare thing. Now the guys have got a ton more work to do on that shell before it's ready to lay any paint down, and as always things have escalated. We're now doing the underside, we're going to take the interior out, which I just cleaned, and then we're going to do it all properly, because after all, if you're going to do a job, you may as well do it properly. I know I said I didn't want to rip the soul out of this little car, but if I'm going to do it, I want to do it right. I want to do it justice. So I'm going to leave these guys to get on with what they've got to do, and hopefully next time we're back here, we'll be laying down some fresh paint on a very well sorted body shell. See you on the next one.
So that's good.